Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video we are making plantain moi moi. So here I'm using overripe plantain. Don't mind the color of this plantain, it is still very okay. So remember this plantain flour, I have the video in my channel, do check it out. But if you don't have plantain flour, you can use fresh grain plantain, that is unripe plantain. You can use it, two of this and one of this overripe plantain. So I'll go ahead now and peel this one, pour into the blender. We are coming back. Into the blender I'll add the overripe plantain which I've peeled. I'll add the flour. You can mix the flour with water before adding. I'm going to blend it together. I'll add water. I have here some onions and pepper. I like to add salt here, so I'm adding salt to it. I have already ground crayfish. I'm adding it here. I'm adding 2 seasoning cubes, and I'm adding it into ginger and garlic powder. I'll then cover and blend. After blending for a while, I will still add it more water. This is the consistency we have. I've mixed everything and I've tested it. It's very okay. The only thing I'm going to add now is palm oil, which I'm not going to add much. I'll also be adding this shredded fish. To transfer into our plate. I'm using foil paper. I'm going to be transferring it. The foil paper, I just rubbed some palm oil into it. I just rub some palm oil into it. I don't know, maybe just so that it will not stick together. That's just nothing much. I still have some pieces of fish which I'll add in case. The pot where we already have boiling water. Let's go. And after about 35 minutes of cooking or steaming, our plantain moi moi is ready. Let's have a look and a taste of it. And the taste is also very, very delicious. If you give this a try, you will be making it every time. And it is another way of not allowing your overripe plantain to waste. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye. Let me go and finish my moi moi.